Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing and review of the Tado Smart AC Control. It's a Wi-Fi controlled device which you can use to control your AC or heat pump, which has only an infrared controller. So this makes it that you can control it from anywhere, and you can also schedule it and use geofencing and smart functionality like that. It also supports Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and it works also with Google Assistant and if this then that. So let's jump in and look at the specs and the unboxing. So here's a diagram of how it works. You control it over Wi-Fi, and it uses infrared to control your AC or heat pump. This is the Smart AC Control version 3 Plus. I think the first version was launched maybe in 2015, and this new version 3 Plus was launched quite recently, maybe a year ago or so. So some of the smart functionality this has, geofencing is one, so that in essence means that you can control all the people living in the house to the app, and it will use the GPS on the phone to see where the people are, so that when nobody is at home you can set it to, well, if it's summer, to not cool, so that you save some energy, and during the winter time to not heat that much, so that you again save some energy. There's some weather adaptation features. I haven't really tried those. Some reports, open window detection. Not really quite sure how it does that. Smart schedules, those I have tried. Those are really handy. I like it a lot. And air comfort. Well, okay, it does measure the humidity and the air temperature. Not quite sure what the air comfort feature does. So it should be compatible with ACs that have a remote control with a display. So I have a quite old Toshiba heat pump, which is capable of cooling and heating. I have now used it during the winter time for heating, and I mean, I have used this Tado Smart AC Control during the winter time, and it works great. Really happy with what it does. So let's next jump into the unboxing. Okay, so in the box there's the actual Tado device. It's a quite simple device which you use some you can use some stickers to, or adhesive tape I would say, to fix it on the wall. Of course you need to keep in mind that it's infrared controlling the AC, so you need to have line of sight to the device, and I think it's emitting the infrared from here, and if you want to, or if you need to during the installation process teach the infrared codes, I think it has a sensor here. It does know a lot of devices, so if you just I think there was a feature for taking a photo of the remote control, and it then tried to guess what device it is and test it. So I think the setup process is quite smart. There is a micro USB connector down there, and then there's a setup card and a small kind of manual leaflet in the box, and the micro USB cable, it's a rather long one, so that should help you if your socket is not that close. I think maybe this is 1.5 meters or 2 meters, not quite sure which. I ordered this on Amazon Germany, and it came with the AC adapter and these plugs, this one is for the UK, and then there is a plug for the European sockets. So that's how you create the European socket. And well, if the cable is not long enough, you could use a even longer one and buy that separately, but I think this one works fine for me. Okay, it seems the box still has some technical specifications down here, but that's nothing that interesting. So when you install the micro USB cable, you plug it in here, and okay, now I got it in. So then you route it through this small slot here, or through that other slot down there, and then it should be flush against the wall. The installation process was quite simple. You can do it on your iPhone or on your Android. There is another video on the installation process if you need it. I'll leave a link in the description. It's not my video, but I think that's helpful if you want to watch a video. I installed the device, and this is the Tado app, which you can use. Now it's not connected, so I will just power it up first. Okay, now I plugged in the cable, so the Tado connected to the Wi-Fi, and the app is showing that it's now on a smart schedule and it's set to 22 degrees. I can just click here, and if I want to add some heat, or if I want to change the fan speed, I can do it here, and then I can confirm, and the Tado device will receive the command, and it's giving a visual representation here on the device what it changed. And when I'm inside the house and it had line of sight to the AC is also beeping, so I get a sound from that to know that it actually received the signal. If I click on cancel, it will go back to the smart schedule I have set. I think this smart schedule functionality is really nice. I have done here is that from 5 a.m. to 20 in the evening it's heating to 22 degrees, and after that it's aiming for 18 degrees. So I can click here and change the settings. This works great for me since I have it in the living room. It's also actually if my bedroom door is open, it's heating that as well. So during the night I want it to go really a lot lower, because I sleep better when it's cooler. Then 5 a.m. it starts to heat again, so when I get up a bit before 7, it has already heated up the house. During the summertime I will use something similar, I think I will also test the away functionality and the away settings. Then I haven't tried that too much yet. It does give some reports or some graphs about the heating, and well, it does show you, okay, now this room is really cool, it's only 9.5 degrees, and there's the geofencing settings here, but I haven't really used that yet. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for other smart home videos later on, and also please leave down below some comments of did you think this was helpful, and is there something else you would like to know about this device. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.